Namaste student, I JVN Kaushik Chakravarti. Today we will discuss about the subject of biomedical signal processing. The subject is basically the terminology is two terminology. One is biomedical and is signal processing. All of you know about the term signal processing, but here the term biomedical is new for you. Biomedical means the basic structure of human bodies and its correlate with the signal and its processing for the further parts. Now, what is the requirement of this subject? What is the necessity of this subject in BTech electronics? In the whole BTech, we are discussing about the signals and different types of signals, and there are signal parts, type, and methodologies, processings, and all that. We already discussed about the subject signal processing and digital signal processing, image processing, and all that. Now, the necessity of biomedical is that before we are going to the subject, we are already discussed the subject of image processing. Now the subject is biomedical. In the human body, the structure is different, and and we have the different parts of the body. Different parts has the different signal capacity system and different signals output system, different signal respiratory system, different signal response systems. Suppose if we compare the human bodies, there is skeletal system, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, excretory system, regulatory system, reproductive system, and muscular system. So we have the numbers of systems in human bodies. Today's topic is the introduction of the basics of biomedical signal processing and its applications further. So if we start about the skeletal system, we have the skeletal system, we have the numbers of skeletals in the body parts. So in different body parts, suppose we have these joints, we have this type of joints. In every parts we have the different response time, different processing time, different signals input time, different signals output times. So we have to match, we have to cope up these signals with the biomedical form and processing form. That is the first purpose, is to protect actually the weak and valuable organs. Suppose example, if I talk about the skull, it is the protecting our brain. Our skull is protecting our brain. So we have to the very strong signal capacity system, we have very strong protecting system, so that our brain is not damaged. In that concept, the signal generation capacity, signal processing capacity is different in skeletal system. If we are talking about the circulatory system, we have all the organs, and we have the circular system. We have different circulars, different vessels called it artery, pumps, bloods, and the whole body is like a vessels called veins. In the veins, the blood circulation is generated. When the blood is circulated through the veins, the signals is also generated, and it's returned back to the veins and returned back to the our other body parts. Next, if we talk about the respiratory system, we have different respiratory systems. We have the in and out breathing system. If we talking about, if I take in, breathe, so a certain numbers of time we have to breathe out the, obviously it will be breathe out. Then if we talking about the digestive system, again we have the digestive system, strong digestive system, and the digestive system most important part is that there is a controlling capacity. Suppose we have taking large numbers of food, so in that that case we have our stomach is getting signals to us that your stomach is full. So this is a basically the correlations of signal to our systems. So input and response time is very much correlated with each other. Next, excretory systems. We have different excretory system. We have kidney, lung, skin. So there is a obviously there is response, input and an output of that particular system. Next, we have the different regulatory systems. There is very much numbers of regulatory bodies to in our organs. So in that case, we have generated the signals, and the regulatory system will respond as well as. Next, reproductive system. We have very much well defined reproductive systems. Again, there is a main focus is that we have the response time, we have input signals, we have output signals. The body parts know very well when the outputs is come, when the input signals has how much the input signal will take, and when the response time will be take. Last system is muscular system. We have very much muscular system. The system is that is, if suppose if legs, hands, if we are talking about that please carry on your hands. So our brain automatically tell that hands will raise up. So this is a systems of communications. It's correlate with our body parts in different times when we have to respond, and when we have to get output, and we have to stop. So today's lecture we are going to present the introductory part of the biomedical system we are already discussed, and with the correlations of our body parts. So there is a numbers of biomedical body parts in our systems. Again, we are already discussed the body parts is skeletal system, circular system, respiratory system, digestive system, excretory system, reproductive system, muscular system. I will also give you the notes and the supporting files of that. Still then, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.